what you want to do is get you a duct tape mannequin like this, a regular mannequin, or you can have a friend and wrap yourself in saran wrap and duct tape with some old clothes on and have them help you draw the pattern on. But in this video, I'm going to use my mannequin that I have already previously made. I have my center line already done. Now I'm going to draw the details for now that we have the basic shape of our RPD vest. We're going to remove the tape and cut it out, and we're going to transfer this onto some pattern paper, and then from there we're going to take the paper patterns and convert them to EVA film and cover them with fabric and all the details to finish making the Resident Evil 2 Remake Leon S. Kennedy vest. Stay tuned. Alright, I took our duct tape off, slapped it to some paper, cut it out, and then I took it, traced it, flipped it to mirror the other side, and traced it, and then I took the same pattern, put it back onto the mannequin and on the back of it, and cut and modified this pattern to make the back pattern. As you can see, I cut it in deeper and raised the neck and mirrored it and did the same thing for the other side. And now that we have both the front and back patterns, now we can transfer them onto our EVA film. Now that we have our templates cut out, I went ahead and put in all the details. We have this part, the square piece for the elevated patch, and then the patch details. Same with the RPD. We have the patch elevated piece with each patch details on both. We have the front mapped out for where our Velcro goes with the elevated corresponding piece for it. We have our shoulder straps, and then we have our side straps. So we will be cutting out 2 of these, 4 of these, 2 of these, and 1 of these. Now that we have this all done like this, now we can transfer it all on foam. We will probably use either a 10mm to a 1/2 inch for the actual vest parts, and then we will go to in between a 2 to 4mm for each patch, with probably 2mm foam for the actual details of the patches, and same for the RPDs, 2 to 4mm on for the patch itself, and then we'll do 2mm foam with the actual RPD insignias. But once we get this all transferred to the foam, we're going to cover it with a black fabric also. Same with each of the patches, we're going to cover with a black fabric.